brought the granite to the farm to hook on the pennel. The guys are installing a culvert right now, so they still need to get their time freed up for us to go move the 3. But we're headed to Bruckner's with Ashley in the pickup. I just dropped the truck off, or the dump truck off. Now we're headed to Bruckner's to go get the end dump. You guys saw the video where we're replacing the cylinder on the end dump because it exploded. Well, it's done, so we're gonna go get it and bring it to the farm as well, so we can just check it over and make sure everything's all right, make sure everything's functioning correctly, and then leave it there, just in case we don't have to send it back or have anything more fixed on it, you know. So we didn't go to bed till like 2. Then like I said in yesterday's vlog, I don't think we're gonna go fishing today at all. I think we're gonna get everything ready to go and then go fishing at like 3 in the morning on Sunday to do morning bite, and then stay there a good portion of the day on Sunday. But every time I say I'm gonna get up at 3 in the morning, we never do. So we kind of might as well go fishing for night bite and then just get up at our normal time and go fishing for morning bite, and then just kind of fish throughout the day on Sunday. Because we did fine in the day. Like, we got plenty of bites and whatnot. Yeah. We just caught bait fish a little late in the day to hook onto the big pole. And right as we're getting ready to go home to get everything ready for work on Monday, I get a big bite. So I'm strongly debating buying a casting net today because I got paid yesterday. But I'm looking at this boat for about $1,500 on Facebook Marketplace. I'm just gonna ask the boss if he'll loan me the money and take it out in 6 installments and go get a boat today. But a $1,500 boat might not be the best boat in the whole world. It's a 2004 12-foot John boat. It's got a 9.9 Mercury on it. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe. It's tiny. Don't think it's a nice boat or a big boat or any of that stuff. It's a tiny boat, but it would be in my budget. So we could have a boat if we wanted a boat to go fishing. I just can't afford anything nice, so just get a little thing maybe. But we'll see. I'm anxious to buy a boat, but I'm not in a hurry to buy one, and I want one, but I guess all in due time. So we'll see how the end dump comes out, and then go move the 3, and then we should be freed up for the day. Oh, a lady hit me up. We have Russellville Drone Flyer, or what? Russellville Drone Club or Drone Flyer Club? Russellville Drone Club. She saw that on there and asked if I'd be willing to bring my drone out to help them look for her grandparents' blind dog. And I said, yeah, we can probably do that later on the day. You know, it wouldn't take too terribly much time. It's over in Atkins, so that might end up working out pretty good.
I'm gonna go ride horses and eat dinner.
Oh.
I am.
Oh. Yeah, we'll see. But I kind of want to go help them, so that's the controller for it. So I brought it with me, so at least we have it in the pickup truck. And then we'll maybe go help them find their dog. Their grandparents' dog's blind, and they got out and obviously can't navigate their way around. And it's been 3 days now, so they're kind of at their last resort. So cross fingers, maybe we can help them find them. We'll have to see. But we're almost here to Bruckner's. We'll see what kind of condition the end dump's in. They were installing the culvert at this person's house this morning. just got done flying the drone, all 3 batteries, looking for this person's blind dog that they lost 3 days ago, and we didn't have any luck at all. So we have to go home and go let the dogs out, and I'm out of batteries anyways, so we're not gonna have any success at this, which is a bummer. Well, it's hot fishing. There's 2 poles over there kind of laying on the ground. I can't beat my PVC pipes into it to have them stand up. At least I haven't even tried yet. There's rock right underneath it and just a little bit of dirt. So they're kind of just laying there up on a little bit of a perch. Sitting right here, the pickup truck. About to throw this one back in the water. It's just a bobber and a worm fishing top water. The pole to the right is modified drop shot rig with the worm. The pole to the left is same type of, it has a, I think they're called Tennessee rigs. It's a sliding weight, and then it's a treble hook with a dough ball on it, direct line, and then the swivel is sliding on that leader, and it's got just a 15-pound mono on the weight. So if I snag the weight, which I've done here already and lost an entire setup, the weight will snap off and I won't lose the whole setup. But the weight hung, and I had a Carolina rig, which is the weight's above the swivel on the main line instead of on the leader. And when I hung the weight and snapped the weight off, I lost everything. 2 swivels, hook, sinker, the whole 9. So I want to try avoid doing that. But it's beautiful, to say the least. Terrible fishing spot though. No bites. The striped bass are running a little top water, chasing those little fish. But other than that, it's not a great fishing spot. But I wanted to try it anyways. You know, throw a couple catfish poles out there, see if there's any catfish biting, and then if I can catch a bait on the worm, I have the big heavy pole back there, the white and the green one, already set up to be able to throw a live bait catfish rig. And that's my shark setup, leader setup. But I don't know, we'll just have to see how it goes. But it is hot, man. 90 something degrees, I think. Oh, what's it say? 89, 47% humidity, feels like 93. I'm sweating big time. But the sun will set here not too much longer. It's pretty low in the sky. So be able to cool off a little bit then. But yeah, we'll see how the fishing goes. Well, it's about 10:30. I grabbed Pam. We went over to Walmart real quick. Picked up a couple things. Some more worms, dough ball. Hi, Pam. Yes, yeah, good boy. And we walked around for a couple minutes. Now we're just pulled up to the house. Gotta go to bed. Was gonna get up early, but that's not gonna happen. It's 4 hours past my bedtime. Pam. Just staring out into nothing. And then go to bed, get up, go fishing for a bit till Ben calls. Then we'll go do some stuff with him. Maybe go fishing, but I'm sure we gotta go handle some stuff. What are you whining? You have to go potty? You gotta go potty? Yes. Okay. Well, he has to go potty. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes. I'll try and get some fish in tomorrow. Got a couple bites, no hooked. Wasn't very good. I was in a terrible spot, but I wanted to find out if it was going to be good or bad. It's extremely convenient. I can use the back of the truck for a table. So I enjoyed being at that spot. It just really wasn't any fish. I doubt there's going to be any catfish. The only good spot's down on the river, and it's such a far walk that I don't know. I don't like fishing there by myself. It's a pain, but it's the best spot. So probably just gonna have to deal with it. On Pim Pim. All right, we're gonna go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, you're a good boy.